Sometimes a student may temporarily lock their Writer's Toolbox account if they attempt to log in using the wrong username or password repeatedly. As a teacher, you can easily remedy this situation. Select School Admin. Click on the relevant student. The Account tab brings up the basic account information for that student. Next to the Edit button, an Unlock Account option has appeared. Simply click this button. The student's account is immediately unlocked, and they can re-enter their username and password. If the student has forgotten either their password, as a teacher, you can reset the password using the Edit feature in this account page. When you have finished, select Save, and the information is automatically updated.